Overall, this was a big win for the abortion rights proponents.
A Kansas City area judge blocks most of Missouri's near total abortion ban weeks after voters passed a statewide constitutional amendment. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kelly Jackson. Hours ago, the judge's ruling on Amendment 3 was issued. New tonight, we have reaction from groups on both sides of the issue. 5 News Side's Robert Townsend is in the newsroom with what we know. Robert.
Kelly, the Jackson County judge's decision is spelled out in a 22-page ruling. Now, tonight we have reaction from abortion rights supporters, opponents, and a local professor who's followed this controversial debate for decades. The big news immediately made headlines Friday afternoon. Jackson County Circuit Judge Jerry Zhang ruled Missouri's near total abortion ban is unenforceable. The judge's ruling essentially blocks the state's strict abortion law after a new abortion rights constitutional amendment recently passed.
Overall, this was a big win for the abortion rights proponents.
St. Louis University School of Law professor Jamil Fields Alsbrook.
We know it's a very personal, very intimate decision.
Voters passed Amendment 3 last month, restoring abortion rights in the state. It went into effect but did not override state law. Planned Parenthood filed a lawsuit asking a judge to remove the bans and restrictions. Judge Zhang agreed to almost all of them. The order also lifts a 72-hour waiting period between a patient's initial visit and their abortion procedure. It also gets rid of punishments for doctors who perform abortions. Still, Alexis McGill Johnson, the president of Planned Parenthood Federation of America, said the judge issued a mixed decision that leaves in place numerous abortion restrictions. She also said, quote, "It is disappointing that 2 weeks after Amendment 3 took effect, Missourians are still unable to exercise their right to reproductive freedom." Brian Westbrook, the executive director of the group Coalition Life, said in part, "We are gratified that the court has rightly decided to retain licensing requirements for abortion facilities and doctors who perform abortions, even while we mourn the loss of protections that are vital to the safety of women and the protection of preborn children. The abortion battle, clearly, far from over."
Whoever loses is going to be appealing, and we probably will be talking about this for months, if not years.
Now, the judge set another hearing on all this for late February. You can read the full ruling on KSDK.com in the As Seen on TV section.